Merry Christmas morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is my name is Janelle Samora, and this is Scent Talk from my closet. On this channel, we go over all things fragrance. We talk about layering combos, perfume with perfume layers. We go over dupes, clones. We explore different perfume houses, and we just talk about all things fragrance. So if that is something that you're interested in, then go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of new videos. So we do reviews, and we don't only do reviews. Sometimes we do most of the time, more often than not, I really like to do wear tests so that I can come back and give you something fruitful other than just like, oh, hey, look, this is the new, like the unboxing I did, the Alien Fusion, or this is the new Surge Off, because we've done Surge Off week. We like to, me, myself, and I, on this channel, we like to go over and explore different perfume houses, different options, affordable options, not so affordable options. So we do all that. Today, I would really like to, before we head over and start our Christmas festivities, first of all, Merry Christmas, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful time with their families. We had a beautiful get together last night, and really enjoyed ourselves. The kids enjoyed themselves. Everybody had a blast, and I'm really happy with the scent that I ended up going with, which is the unboxing that I did yesterday. And I'm gonna upload the video for sure, the unboxing. So it is Alien Fusion, the newest member to our collection. And I want to go over what it gave on the skin, how it made me feel, how, whether or not it be something that you'd be interested in adding to your collections. So normally what I do with perfumes that I decided to add to my collection, I look up the notes. I maybe watch a couple of fragrance reviews, or in fact, with this particular Alien Fusion, I had already seen it. It was already on my list as far as wanting to check it out for myself, but since I had been a little bit let down by the Angel Nova, we got a little one coughing. What's up, my mamas?
I think the thing that is in the truck.
Yeah.
My bed and blanket.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll be right there. Okay. I gotta go. It's early morning. And we're gonna go head off for the Christmas festivities. Okay, so that was my lady. She's not ready to jump on a video this morning. So here's the thing, okay, with Alien Fusion. I had seen it. I had already put it on my list. But I prioritized Angel Nova before this Alien Fusion, because this Alien Fusion, it boasted cinnamon and ginger, and I love orange blossom and tuberose together. That's why I put it on my wish list. However, I prioritized Angel Nova, and I have no idea what it is about Angel Nova. Maybe I just didn't give enough time, but I just cannot handle it on my skin. The minute that I spray it on, I'm instantly wanting to wash it off. I don't know if it's the what was it, the lychee. I keep saying that. I think it might be the lychee in Angel Nova. If you guys are fans of Angel Nova, and you get that raspberry note, power to you, because it never came out and shined for me. the Angel Nova. So unfortunately, the point why I'm bringing up Angel Nova and how it was on my wish list, I prioritized it before the Angel Fusion, was because I was worried. I was a little bit scared. I was like, I also have the Angel Corsair, I believe it's called, on my wish list for the summer, because it's supposed to be like have a coconut note and all that. For the summer, I like to do Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. I love that. that smell. I don't have the original. I have the oil perfumery version, and it gets the job done. Okay, so let's go over Alien Fusion real quick before I gotta go, and I gotta go tend to the little one. Alien Fusion. It will forever remind me of Christmas 2021 because I decided to use it as my scent, and I sprayed a little bit this morning because I think I might go with it again today. It was that good, you guys. Really, really happy with how it dried down. In the unboxing, I was like, I'm just getting white flowers, and that's all I'm getting. So our Alien Fusion here, it's an amber floral fragrance. It did come out in 2019. It's got top notes of ginger and cinnamon, mid notes of orange blossom and tuberose, which is a bomb combination. I love that combination. White amber and vanilla. That's really all we got going on here. It does say, a lot of the comments that I had read does say that they're cozy and spicy, that it was strong sillage, and it had a lot of lasting power. It definitely did last through the night. It really did. And I enjoyed it so much. I sprayed it on my outerwear. I sprayed it on what I wore that day. Of course, on my skin. It starts off as when I sprayed it on the cardboard and it had not settled down yet. So yes, give your fragrances a little time to settle down. I got it directly from the mail, and all it was giving me was white flowers, and I was already worried. I was like, oh, I'm not going to be enjoying this one. But no, it dried down beautifully. It settled down beautifully, and I can already tell that it's probably only going to get better with time. The vanilla in this is beautiful. It is, it's good. I am in love with Angel Fusion. I really liked it. I like these fragrances that are round. To me, I feel they don't have any sharp edges, and that's what I love. Those are the types of fragrances that I like to keep in my collection and treasure and adore. So this is one of them. This is definitely going to be one of them. And now, I love that Alien has refillable bottles. I don't know if this is a refillable bottle. It might not be, because I was so excited to get this on sale that I didn't even pay attention to that. I really do like refillable bottles. I am in the Mugler circle. All right, so basically, other than the notes, people say that this reminds them of D&G The Only One, which I have The Only One Intense, and Dolce & Gabbana The Only One. No, I also have The Only One. Yeah, I would say so, but I still like the fact that this has the alien DNA in it. Like, you could tell it's an alien flanker. So I liked that about it. They also say that it's comparable to Rouge Malachite, which is by the Armani Privé private line. Where did I leave that? I know. Oh, right here. So Armani Privé Rouge Malachite. They say that this one jives really nice with it, that it reminds people of it. So I can confirm that now. At the beginning, oh yes, definitely. Yesterday at the unboxing, I was just hit with the white amber flowers, which is weird because it's in the base notes. But yeah, so let your fragrances settle. When you get them from the mail, they've been through temperature changes. They've been hustled and bustled out in the mail system. So definitely don't go off of your very first spritz. You're not going to get the full effect. Or yeah, give it a chance, because I'm glad I did. I'm glad I wore it. I'm glad I let it develop. I gotta go get the little one a nebulizer. Okay, so that's all I have to say. I think I just bit myself for the Alien Fusion. It's wonderful. It's something that I'm going to treasure, and I'm so happy that I gave Thierry Mugler here another chance, and I'm happy to continue to explore their lines. I'm really happy with Angel Muse. That's another love of mine. I have the EDT and the EDP, and I personally prefer the EDP. However, the EDT is nice to have for the summer because it is lighter, a little fresher, fruitier than the EDP is just, it's bam. And I like bam, so that's why I like the EDP so much. But anyways, Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you enjoy your day with your family and your friends, if you have get-togethers. And what else? That's all I had to say, I believe, this morning, because I have to go take care of the little one. I just wanted to follow up here on this alien fusion that, hopefully I can help you understand a little bit about what it gave me. Oh, the ginger and the cinnamon. I don't get it. Those are in the top notes. They're blended so unbelievably well, unless my nose is just not like greatly trained to pick out, those couple of different notes. So what I ended up doing last night was I ended up spraying a couple of spritz of Absolutio. Ooh, cinnamon, let me tell you. So I did give it a couple of these, just a couple, but just ever so slightly. That is by Navitus Perfumes, and that is, I'm gonna go over here, called Absolutio. It's almond and saffron and cinnamon, heart notes of apple and toffee, base notes of ambergris, oak moss, caramel, chocolate, driftwood, and musk. That is what is in Absolutio. And the cinnamon note that is in here, the almond, saffron, and cinnamon in the top notes, it really shines in this one, and it never leaves. The cinnamon never leaves. So that's why I decided to combine it with Alien Fusion, and it was a great combination. But today I'm not doing that, even though this reminds me of Christmas in a bottle. I might not. Who am I? Why am I lying to myself? I'll probably give it a couple spritz. One day I'll wear this by itself, and when I do, I'll probably combine it with the Armani Rouge Malachite. I don't see this having any longevity issues. I don't see it having any issues of any kind. It's a beautiful fragrance, you guys. I love it. Those are my thoughts. Those are my thoughts on this one, okay? I believe you can still get it for the fragrance 20, unless, yes, it's a beautiful fragrance. Unless it went out already, it already expired. I know the Mugler website is also having sales. So yeah, that's it. Gotta go. But Merry Christmas and have a blessed one. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.